Health benefits of cabbage. One widely available cruciferous vegetable that is often overlooked is cabbage. Cabbage belongs to the Brassica genus of vegetables, which also includes broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. It comes in different shapes and colors: red, purple, white and green, with either crinkled or smooth leaves. Cabbage is good for your health due to its impressive nutritional profile. It has fiber, folate, manganese, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins B6, K, and C. In addition, it has micronutrients like vitamin A, iron, and riboflavin. Along with its impressive nutrient profile, cabbage is very low in calories and contains powerful antioxidants, including polyphenols and sulfur compounds. Cabbage is not only healthy, it's also delicious. It's good both raw or cooked, and you can add it to a wide variety of dishes like salads, soups, stews, and slaws. You can also ferment cabbage and make sauerkraut or kimchi. Here are the top 5 health benefits of cabbage, some of which you may find quite surprising. Number 1. Helps you lose weight. Cabbage is a good vegetable for people who want to lose weight in a healthy way. 1 cup of shredded cabbage contains just 22 calories. So, being low in calories, it makes a great addition to any weight loss diet. Also, the fiber in cabbage provides bulk in your digestive system, which helps your stomach empty more slowly. Cabbage is also high in water content, which means it keeps you feeling full longer and prevents hunger pangs. Plus, it keeps the body hydrated. In fact, in the 1950s, the cabbage soup diet was very popular as a way to quickly lose a few pounds. It is beneficial, but, being low in complex carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and minerals, the cabbage soup diet should be followed for not more than 1 week at a time. Number 2. Boosts heart health. Including cabbage in your diet can help protect against heart disease. The anthocyanins in red cabbage help suppress inflammation in the body that may lead to cardiovascular disease. Also, the high polyphenol content in cabbage helps prevent platelet buildup and reduces blood pressure. This, in turn, helps lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. The potassium content in cabbage also helps regulate blood pressure by working against the harmful effects of excess sodium in your body. High potassium intake is also associated with a reduced risk of strokes. Moreover, cabbage helps reduce your low-density lipoprotein (LDL) or bad cholesterol level and increase your level of high-density lipoproteins (HDL) or good cholesterol. This also helps reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Number 3. Promotes brain health. Cabbage is good for your brain. Being rich in iodine, cabbage improves brain functioning and keeps the nervous system functioning properly. In fact, a healthy amount of iodine plays a key role in preventing and treating neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Also, the vitamin K and anthocyanins in cabbage help improve mental functioning and concentration. In fact, vitamin K aids in the production of sphingolipids, which help protect nerves from damage and decay. Cabbage also has several B vitamins that play a key role in improving mental stamina and memory. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. The antioxidant and anti-hyperglycemic properties of cabbage offer a potential therapeutic source for managing diabetes. It helps lower blood sugar levels and aids insulin production. Moreover, the fiber content in cabbage helps prevent diabetes, since it slows the absorption of sugar. A 2008 study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that diabetic rats that were fed red cabbage extracts for 60 days exhibited reduced blood glucose levels. Plus, the rats had better renal function and weight loss as compared to the control group. Number 5. Cures engorgement of the breasts. Dealing with engorgement of the breasts during breastfeeding is nothing less than a nightmare for a mother. Breast engorgement occurs when your breasts are painfully overfull of milk. You can use cabbage leaves to reduce swelling and pain in moderate to severe engorgement of the breasts. The antibiotic and anti-irritant properties of cabbage help reduce tissue congestion by dilating local capillaries and improving the blood flow in the area. Put a few cabbage leaves in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Place a cold cabbage leaf on the engorged breast. When the leaf reaches room temperature, replace it with a new one. Do this a few times daily until the engorgement subsides. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.